Hey guys, welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. Today we're going to be looking at some of our hunts from 2017, and first off we're going to start with me. So my season wasn't very good. I saw a couple deer during the rifle season, but really there wasn't much activity going on for me at least. But here's some of my hunts, so let's check them out right now. Alright, now that we get to check out how my season went, let's move on over to John and Dave's season. So both of them were able to shoot two nice deer, but neither of them were able to get either of their hunts on film. So we do have some footage of them with the deer afterwards. So let's go check that out now.
Hey guys, John from KILLZONE Outdoors. Today we got my buck hanging. We're just going to load her up in the truck and bring her home. It's 2017 Minnesota rifle season. It's Monday today. Opened on Saturday. Got this bad boy on Sunday night, about 4:30, 4:45. Bunch of does came out and they were sitting in the field. I was sitting there glassing them for about half hour, and all of a sudden he came out chasing them, looking for a little tail. Then they kind of didn't want any of that, so they ran away, but he kind of stuck around for about a half hour, and then I decided I was going to take him, bring home some meat to the family. It'll be some good sausages and steaks. Stay tuned, guys.
Hey, this is Dave from KILLZONE Outdoors. About a half hour ago, I just shot a doe. I couldn't get GoPro footage on it from my gun since they caught me right when they were walking up to me, so I shot it about 25 yards away, and now we're just going to go look for where I shot it from. Right, well, this is where I shot it, and as you can see, there's plenty of blood. And matter of fact, I can see the deer laying 15 yards away, so I could say I probably made a pretty good shot on it. Not much tracking in this job. Alright, now we found the deer, and upon closer inspection, it looked like I got it right in the jugular, right in the neck. So that explains why there's so much blood and it only went 15 yards. Now the hard job starts of gutting it and getting it ready to bring back to camp and hang it up for tonight.
Alright, now that you guys were able to see some of the footage from John and Dave's hunts, I want to touch on a pretty cool fact about Dave's hunt. So as you guys saw in the last video, we put in a mini food plot, and that's where Dave decided to sit that night. And since we had about 3 inches of snow in the second weekend of November, that was one of the only food sources that we had within 1 to 2 miles on our property. So by checking trail cameras and figuring out where to sit, Dave saw that they were hitting that food plot pretty consistently. So that just goes to show that hard work really does pay off. We put in the time and effort in the early season, and it paid off, and he was able to get a pretty good sized doe in late November. So that worked out great for him. Hope you guys enjoyed the hunting videos. So now we're getting into the later end of December, and it's about time for ice fishing. So I went out last week and we were sitting at about 4.5 inches of ice, and this week we got some colder temps rolling through. So the ice is should be getting thicker. We should have some more videos coming out for you. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. KILLZONE Outdoors.